Hey, this is Rick. I just unboxed my seeds from True Leaf Market, and I found it. It really looks just as though it's um, our broccoli, and it just looks like this bag here just lost its seam. I mean, it doesn't look like it's cut in any way. It just is a bag default, but you can clearly see that the seed is all over, and we'll contact them. They're really good to work with. We really enjoy and support True Leaf. They're just awesome. We've never ever had any issues with their customer service. In fact, their customer service is 2 thumbs up. But I found out what the problem is, and that's it. So we'll get this video off to them so they can see what happened, and we'll get it squared away. Thanks, everybody. Take care, and remember, if you're looking for microgreens, or you're just wanting to expand your garden and your ability to grow your own food and have control over your soil and what you put into your soil, which ultimately ends up being a successful crop if you're a successful grower. But True Leaf is just 2 thumbs up. We really appreciate them, and we know that they'll take good care of us. Thanks, everybody. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.